Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. Now, Snapchat Plus, as you know, a lot of people have been using it, but how can you actually go and cancel the subscription? So if you bought Snapchat Plus through Apple Store, you will need to go to the Apple Store subscriptions and then you will need to cancel subscriptions. Alternatively, you can go to settings and just type in subscriptions, and then from there you'll be able to go and you'll be able to find Snapchat Plus, and then you can just cancel the subscription. However, if you want to do it in Android, you can do it right here. As you can see, you go to your subscriptions and then go to the Google Play, on subscriptions in Google Play, and then Snapchat Plus, go to there and then cancel subscription there. Now you will need to follow the on-screen instructions, and that's pretty much it. Now if for some reason you don't have any of this, you can go and just contact the Snapchat support. Now all you have to do is just go to Google, and then what you can do is just here Snapchat support, and then as you can see here you can go to the Snapchat support and basically go and contact the Snapchat support. So that's pretty much how you can go and cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.